Hi, welcome to Halloween special.
Hi, welcome to Photofox Live. We're doing a special for Halloween. It's Joseph practicing his scary voice.
Yeah, I'm trying very hard to be scary, but that happens in a natural way now that I look like this.
Yeah, we got totally decked out with our Halloween makeup for this special. And we're here to tell you guys how to teach you how to create a scary movie poster. So happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
We know it's tomorrow, but we're getting ready. And yeah, let's get started with this tutorial. We have a really cool result.
Yeah.
If you like what you see, don't forget to share. If you have any questions on how to do anything Halloween related or anything in general with Photofox, just let us know. And give us lots of love and likes.
But if you have been waiting to know how to make a great poster of a classic look, of a vintage, this is the opportunity for you to learn how to do it. So share and like it so everybody can see.
Yeah, don't forget to share and like. We usually don't get this decked out, right?
Yeah.
This is a special occasion. So
All right.
Let's get started. Let's show them what we're going to show them how to do.
All right, so let's go. I'm going to show you the final result.
It's like a total vintage movie poster using us.
Look at that look.
Yeah.
I mean,
it's pretty cool.
It's like that. It's like that's my best look. I think that's my angle.
Yeah, for sure.
By the way, I gotta say, I mean the artist that did this makeup is she's a genius.
She's awesome.
Yeah. So this is based on the classic Frankenstein kind of tutorials of that time. So it's all very exaggerated. And the good thing is that you can actually find all the assets that are here within the app. And that's pretty awesome. So let's start from using the beginning from the assets. So I started with this image. Of course, we used the green screen. You can do it at home. You can just use the light that you have at home and just flat, solid background. Nothing special, nothing too complicated. So I'm going to start by cropping this image just to have the right ratio and the right composition.
We're getting a lot of comments about how great your makeup is. Melissa is saying his makeup is great.
Oh,
we have
thank
Rodrigo
you.
saying hello. Tiago, wow, ha ha ha. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and for watching. And if you have any questions, don't forget to ask us because we're here to answer them.
Isn't it too creepy? Isn't it too creepy?
I thought it was a little bit creepy. I went for a mermaid look. I don't know if you guys can tell it.
I can see from here.
Yeah, I got sparkles. I have some fish scales.
They use the airbrush, right? The stuff.
Yeah.
That thing, I don't know how they call it.
Yeah.
It's very cool. Okay. Now let's add stuff.
What?
Photo.
Me.
This is the photo.
Yeah.
So first, let's start by getting rid of the background. So very easily, we're gonna go to layers and start erasing. And because it's the green screen, it's going to be very easy for us to get rid of it because of the edge avoidance feature that we have within our brush control. But don't forget to get close and zoom in for precision so you can get best result. Okay. So usually in these kind of posters, they do a lot of exaggerations. For example, one of the things I saw in my references is that the sizes are very, like for example, there's like a small couple or a small girl somewhere in the corner, and then there's like this big, huge image of
they really
of
play
the monster.
with the size.
Yes, and also the lightning is very creepy, so they try to do very weird contrast lighting for the images. So I'm gonna show you just in a second what I'm talking about. Now that I get rid of this, I'm gonna put her somewhere here, just looking at me. And as you can see, this image, we try to put some lightnings from behind, from the sides, and also there's light that is coming from below, so that makes it look even more creepy. And now let's get rid of my background. How's people doing there?
Pretty good. And Keaton Patel is saying that we rock, best show and app so far for editing pictures.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Actually, my reaction right here, the way is pretty much my reaction.
That's how she looked when she looked at me.
When I saw Joseph come out of the room after he had his makeup done. It was pretty. It looks scary. I think the way you guys are seeing it, but it's even more scary in person because she really did like the shadows and the crevices, and it looks real, especially like not right up close. Anyway, it's scary. We have Uriel, hi from Kansas City. So hi Uriel, thank you for watching us.
Welcome.
And Eric Garcia is asking if a green screen is required. So
it's not required at all. And you can even, if you have just a classic white background, that will do the job. I mean, any color,
any wall that you have.
Yeah, as long as it's like a
solid color.
Like a solid color, it's gonna work just fine.
We have Ian Cobb saying, "What's up from Jersey?" So, what's up?
How's
Jersey? All you guys have any questions about Photofox or what you can do with it? Just ask us right now. I'm looking at the comments here in the corner. That's why I keep sort of looking to the left. And if you have any questions, just write them down and I'll answer you.
Oh my God, Sav, you have a spider.
I have a spider there.
It's getting to you. I think it's there.
That way, yeah. Spider.
Okay, so now I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna correct the color of my neck because that part is, as you can see, it doesn't have any painting, but I can do it within light. So let's go to darkroom. You can also do it in adjust if it's not the pro version, but I'm gonna do it in darkroom anyway. So let's go to color and you can change the hue.
Yeah.
And now let's go to eraser, invert, and we will apply the effect only in this area. And then we're gonna go back and play a little bit more with the color until we get the exact color that we're looking for.
Hue is an awesome tool for something like this when you want to make the color something saturated and exaggerated. If you want a bright blue, a bright green, a bright pink. So when you're using Photofox, try and think outside the box sometimes. Like sometimes you could also technically color this in with Duo or with Doodle even. But Hue makes it really, really easy.
Look at that. Looks perfect. Looks okay. Okay. I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger. And now I'm gonna add an image from our stock photos. So let's go here, tap on the top. And let's go to search.
This is a feature that some of you might not know about. We actually have search stock photos right within the app. So all you need to do is tap the top and the search button, and then you can search Pixabay, which is a free photo stock site, and you get high resolution photos right in the app without having to go out, look on the internet, download something, import it into your photo. So it's super helpful. So if you aren't aware of that feature, you should check it out.
Definitely. So this is kind of what I was looking for as a background, but I want to have it a little bit more dark. So it's going to be more dramatic. Let's go again to darkroom and lower the brightness a little bit. Let's raise a little bit the contrast. You can always check what you're doing by tapping the compare icon, which is here in the corner. And let's play a little bit with the color so it's not all too purple. So let's make it more bluish. All right, that looks good. Let's tap on the icon here. Okay, now that we have this, I'm gonna add some shadow that is coming from below so that we can make this even more creepy. So let's go to Duo, and remember to stand on the layer that you want to have the effect on. Otherwise, it's gonna do it
tap
whatever
the layer.
you're
Don't
tapping.
stand on the layer.
Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply color 1 black, color 2 white, and then multiply. Wait a second. White. Okay. And then just play around with the widget.
We have a question from He's telling us to call him Edgar. And he's asking, does the Pro version a lot better than normal? So I think what he's asking is, what is the advantage of having Pro over the free version? There's a few main things. First of all, there's more layers, so it's a lot easier of a workflow. Instead of having to merge your layers, to get a new one, with the free version you only have 2 layers. So you have to, if you want to use another layer, you have to merge, and then you have to, and with the Pro version, you actually have 5 layers. So that's one thing. And then you also get a few more quite a bit of Pro tools. Darkroom, which we use all the time, and Film, which is super helpful.
Elements, stickers.
And then you get a lot of extra packs within every feature. So there's more filters, there's more stickers, there's more elements, fonts, frames. So it's something to consider if you're really into using it for creativity. There's a lot more creative options that you can get when you go Pro. What are you up to? Typing?
So now I'm getting some title for our poster, and let's choose a nice typeface, and that could work. You have many typefaces, by the way. You can check them out, and you can also control the spacing of the lines, which is pretty cool. So let's put the
you can also control the spacing of the letters.
The letters,
which a lot of people don't know. I think you can change the characters and the lines. So if you ever type something in, it doesn't exactly fit, you can actually make it smaller, a little bit bigger if you change the characters or the lines.
You can also control the color, and you can also add shadow to it, just like that. And what else? Let's make it a bit smaller. Oh, and I don't think I like this color for the shadow, so let's use something more
dramatic.
More dramatic. Yeah, I think that will do. All right, we're getting close to it, but now we're missing some effects. So now let's check the cool effects that we have. First of all, we have stickers. We have some cool stuff in there. You should definitely check it out. We have the skull pack, and you can see all these cool things, as you can see here. And we also have the spook. So I'm gonna use just one just to show you, but I'm not gonna get too crazy with it. So something like that. But you have all these options.
Yeah, these are special packs for Halloween. They were just released a few days ago in a new update. So you have stickers, you have frames, you have effects. If you haven't checked them out, you should check them out because they're especially for Halloween.
These are the effects. These are the haunted. You have here bats, ghosts, and all these green stuff, and spider webs. You have many stuff. Let's add some of these guys. Maybe I'm gonna make them a little bit bigger.
We have Josh saying he just brought the Pro version and he loves our live streams. So thank you so much for watching, Josh.
Very glad to hear you.
We appreciate it. If you have any ideas for our next live episodes or tutorials, feel free to write them out right now and we'll take a look. We're always looking for new ideas. And we get inspiration from you guys, so.
Yeah, all the time. Okay, now I'm gonna go to tone and then target, because I want to add a little bit of glow in the background, like in those classic posters. They have this dramatic glow. So by moving the widget, you can choose the area that you want to choose, and then make some changes on it. You can raise the exposure, as you can see, and you can also change the hue. That can create the hue, and then you can play with it. That looks cool.
That's kind of cool.
Let's raise a little bit the saturation. Yeah. That's it. All right. All right, now all we have to do now is just to add a little bit of filtering and final touches, and then we are ready. So
we have a question from Michael Connor. Maybe we'll answer first. I'm not totally sure what he means, but maybe he's asking if there's a way to have the duo colors cover the whole page, not the stock color choices. So if you're asking if you go into Duo, you can tweak the colors that you can use there.
Yeah.
Maybe that's what. Maybe just show Duo.
I think he's saying maybe like to have the effect all over the whole image, but that you only can do it if you merge all the image, just like I did right now. because if you have layers, the effect will only apply on that specific
One
layer
layer.
that you are standing on. So now that I have this as a single
If we didn't
layer,
answer your question, say it again.
yeah. Okay, now that we have only one layer, let's start having some more effects all over the image, just like this filter that I like. And we can also add some film to get more creepy textures that we have here. So let's go to scratches and let's choose something interesting from here. This can work. Also grain could be very good for this. And I think, okay, we could also add a little bit of vignette. Wouldn't hurt. All right.
I hope you guys are going to get out and try this at home because we want to see all the posters you create. So
Yeah, we really want to see what you
take this
guys.
as inspiration, create your own movie poster with your own face and tag it. Tag us. Hashtag Photofox or tag us in the photo with Enlight Photofox. That's our Instagram name. And
remember to use high resolution, and now you don't have any excuse because now you have the stock within the app and you can get very high resolution images. So now you can get really crispy, nice work.
yeah, so, and you can actually even use the exact image that we used here because we took it right off Pixabay. So if you search for, what do you search for? Lightning?
For thunder.
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 It's funny
Thunder.
though, because it's like lightning.
Yeah.
Like you could pick, anyway.
But that's a word too.
Yeah,
That's-
search for thunder. Yeah, but can you see thunder?
Yeah, of course. I don't know.
So search for thunder or search for lightning, and you'll find the exact same photo that we use. You can use it in yours as well, and that's it. Michael Connor is saying, is there a way to remove the radial, mirror, or linear effect using only one color? Well, you can make color 1 and color 2 the same color, and then I know what he wants.
Yeah, all right.
I think. So if you go to Duo, and say you go like this to make sure that the color is over everything, then you go to Tools and you say you change color 2 to that and color 1 and color 2 the same color. I think maybe that
You don't need,
is what you're trying to.
If you're gonna use the same color, you don't even have to make it as big as that. You can just leave it like
you don't
that.
even need to. There you go. So I think that should answer your question. If not, rephrase and we'll try again.
Yeah, we're here for answering questions. That's
Travis McDonald is asking when the couch will be up for auction today.
which option?
The couch. And then he said, what time will you be putting up the couch? I don't know if you think we're sitting on a couch, but we're sitting on chairs.
What? There's a couch function?
If there's a couch here, then we're missing it.
Yeah. There are people saying hi from Guatemala.
Yeah. So hi.
Hola. Saludos.
Hola, Juan. I think that's it. If you have any more questions, write them right now. We'll answer you. And if not, have a great Halloween. Don't forget to create some cool iPhone art, scary photos, movie posters.
Yeah.
And tag us. And
It's time to get viral.
yeah, we'll see you.
We'll see you definitely soon.
Bye.